Hello everyone and welcome to Riaz Academy. Today we are discussing one of the biggest challenges of our time, mobile distractions. If you are a student or a professional, this message is especially for you. A mobile phone is a powerful tool. It can help us, but it can also destroy our focus. The problem is not the phone itself. The real problem is how easily it steals our attention. Every time a notification appears, our concentration breaks. And research shows that after one small distraction, it takes 7 to 15 minutes to regain full focus. This means the work that should take 1 hour often takes 3 hours or even the whole day. Distraction slowly kills productivity. It delays our dreams. It damages our discipline. And slowly it becomes a habit that stops our growth. So, what can we do? How can we handle this situation? Here are the solutions. First, keep your phone away while studying or working. Even placing it 3 to 5 feet away reduces distraction dramatically. Second, use the 20-minute deep focus method. Work with full concentration for 20 minutes. Then take a 1-minute break. This strengthens your mind and increases productivity. Third, set a fixed time for using your phone every day. For example, 30 minutes in the afternoon and 15 minutes at night. When we set boundaries, the phone stops controlling us. Fourth, turn off every unnecessary notification. Most notifications are not urgent, but they look important and they steal our time quietly. Finally, remember one simple rule. Your phone should serve you. It should not become your master. Dear viewers, if you follow these simple steps, you will notice your focus improving, your study quality getting better, and your productivity rising day by day. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe to Riaz Academy. See you in the next video with another important topic. Until then, goodbye.